Nature is the best teacher.
In a beautiful village, two children were playing very happily in the evening time.
My name is Shreya and I love to play outside with nature in the evening time. That he is my brother.
Hi friends, my name is Akshayan.
Shreya and Akshayan are shivering in the cold, so they try to go somewhere else. Then they saw a tiger there and suddenly got scared and ran away. When they saw the tiger, they hurriedly ran away from this place. Then they saw the beauty of the elephants and deer in a beautiful forest and were filled with joy. The rain stopped and Shreya and Akshayan slowly walked towards their house. Akshayan and Shreya also saw a beautiful village on the way to their house, but there was no good agriculture in that village. So the farmer was very sad.
Village is so dry.
The farmer said that without rain the village is very poor.
Now Akshayan and Shreya also understood the beauty of rain and realized that it was wrong to be afraid of rain. On time they reached their home very happy. Both of them came home and mother cooked and served them. They had good meal. His dog while eating Akshayan, and then Akshay plays with our dog. Shreya was very happy to see the dog.
My dear dog, I like you so much.
A cat was walking sadly because of hunger.
Eat well, my dear sweat kitten.
Now Shreya and Akshayan have started loving animals a lot. At their house they hear the sound of rain and they came outside and plow in the rain.
Both of them started to know the benefits of the rainwater.
They also started planting more trees for rain. Their mother praised them for their kindness and gave them gifts.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and select the bell button to see my all videos.